Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're going to make a jalapeno cheddar bacon cornbread, and it's going to be mighty fine. Let's go over the ingredients. I've got 1 cup of cornmeal mix, and this right here is what I'm using. 1 cup of buttermilk, some cooked bacon that I diced up, and that's about 3 strips. I've got about a 1/4 cup of frozen corn kernels, some bacon grease, or you could use butter or oil, 1 egg, some medium cheddar cheese, and I'm going to use half of the block, so that's about a cup of cheese. 2 jalapenos that I had diced up, and then about half of 1 jalapeno I cut into rings like that to put on the top. Okay, I'm going to start out in a mixing bowl. I done cracked my 1 egg in there, and I'm going to throw in my cup of buttermilk. And I'm just going to mix the egg and buttermilk up together real good, along with my couple tablespoons of bacon grease. Go ahead and throw in my 1 cup of cornmeal mix, and also I didn't mention this, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in about 2 spoonfuls of sugar, and you could add more or less or leave it out. And I'm going to combine these ingredients until they're well incorporated. Okay, I went ahead and added my frozen corn. My video camera wasn't recording. Now I'm going to add in my diced jalapenos. Cheddar cheese, I just took half the block and just diced it up. You can certainly shred it or used already shredded cheese. And I'm just going to fold this together. You know what we forgot? Forgot the bacon. Put that in there and give that a good fold around. Just fold it all together. I've got my oven preheated to 425 degrees, and while it was preheating, I put this 8-inch cast iron skillet in there to get hot. Now we're going to take some bacon, put down in here, just like that. Can you see? And I got a few strips here that I cut in half. Oh yeah, hear that sizzle? Now I'm going to pour the batter in there. And just spread it around nice and even like that. I'm going to take these little hole strips and just place them right here. Stick them in there a little bit like that. Press them in there. Put it back into the preheated 425 degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes in the oven, this is what we got. And I'm going to just take a knife and go around the edges and make sure you break it loose all the way around. Also, you want to take a toothpick or something and poke in there to make sure it comes out clean. Make sure it's done. I'm just going to take and flip it over on this cutting board like this. And right there it is. Bacon crusted jalapeno cheddar cornbread. I'm going to let it cool for a minute. Give this a try. Look at that right there. The bacon on the bottom of it. Look at that. Now that right there sure is some mighty fine cornbread right there, I tell you. Look at that. Man. Alright y'all, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Cheers.